The 2025 Artura receives a few modifications, the most notable of which being the introduction of the Spider open-top version. The key interior features are still present, and for a supercar, the Artura's cozy and livable cabin is surprisingly spacious. The pricing of the 2025 McLaren Artura ranges from $256,308 to $281,008, depending on trim and extras. The Artura includes a large 8.0-inch touchscreen with standard features that is positioned vertically. This includes Sirius XM satellite radio, built-in navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, standard Apple CarPlay, and built-in Sirius XM satellite radio. The new Spider has an extra speaker to improve sound reproduction for open-roof motoring. The Artura features a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, with a V6 engine that differs from the V8s that have powered the brand's recent road cars. The dry-sump 3.0-liter unit is smaller and lighter than McLaren's previous motivators, with two turbochargers placed within the engine's B for faster response, while a 7.4 kWh battery drives a 94 horsepower motor placed within the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission's bell housing. Overall, the powertrain produces 691 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. McLaren claims the Spider can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds, which is the same time as the coupe. The top speed claims are likewise comparable, at 205 miles per hour. In our previous tests, the Artura Coupe, with only 671 horsepower, got 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds and reached 100 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds.